How to tap your iPhone and accept contactless payments with Cash App's Tap to Pay on iPhone feature. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in to your Cash App business account and have the latest version of iOS installed. Then, locate and select the Tap to Pay icon from the Cash App home screen or keypad and follow the on-screen prompts to agree to Square's payment processing terms and enable the feature in your app. This feature lets sellers accept contactless cards, Apple Pay, and other digital wallet payments directly with just the iPhone and no extra hardware. Once activation is complete, you'll see confirmation in the app and you're ready to make a sale by entering the sale amount in Cash App, tapping Tap to Pay, and having your customer hold their contactless card or device near the top of your iPhone to complete the payment. When the transaction is accepted, you'll see an approval on screen and the payment posts to your Cash App account. Cash App charges a flat processing fee per tap, and this feature is available for eligible Cash App business users on supported iPhone models. If you encounter issues such as missing the Tap to Pay option, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version, your iPhone software is current, and you have agreed to all required permissions for NFC and payments in the app settings. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue, and now you can confidently accept contactless payments with your iPhone using Cash App's Tap to Pay feature. Thanks. That is how to tap your phone to pay with Cash App.